Choosing to be positive and grateful for what you have now is going to determine how you are going to live the rest of your life. A life of success and achievement is a direct result of utilizing the power of positive thinking. A positive attitude may not solve all your problems, but it annoys enough people to make it worthwhile. In everything we do, our own thoughts can help us succeed, or they can help us fail. Maintain a positive attitude. Be positive every day, every hour, every minute, every second, cause if you missed a part of your life just because of your negativity, everything may fall apart. Every choice we make will either impact us positively or it can seriously have a negative effect on you. Choices are everything, you just have to be careful as to which one is going to help you or hurt you. Smile, why? Because it makes you attractive. It changes your mood, it relieves stress, and it helps you stay positive. Always think thoughts that are productive and positive. For the law of attraction possesses your key to either endless misery and woe or to an abundance you never knew could be achievable. The best way to be happy is to turn the negatives into positives. Don't let anyone steal your joy and be thankful for what you have. You are too blessed to be stressed. Stop focusing on the negatives, only embrace the positives. Being positive doesn't mean ignoring the negative. Being positive means overcoming the negative. Life continues whatever happens. All we need it is to be positive and be brave all the challenges we encounter. Faith in God is still the best armor.